DJI is back in the headlines, and this time, all eyes are on the Osmo Pocket 4. Leaks are hinting at a serious upgrade for this pocket-sized powerhouse, and while we're not expecting a complete redesign, it looks like DJI is refining everything that made the Pocket 3 a fan favorite. If you're into vlogging, travel content, or just capturing high-quality footage on the go, this could be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Bigger, better, and more functional. The first noticeable change? Size. The Pocket 4 is reportedly heavier, around 190g, but for a good reason. This extra weight is likely due to a larger, improved OLED touchscreen, a 2.5-inch display with a 480 by 800 resolution and 800 nits of brightness. If you've ever struggled to see your screen in bright sunlight, this upgrade alone could be a game changer. Plus, with an improved rotation mechanism and enhanced durability, usability is getting a boost too. Refined ergonomics and controls. If you've used previous Osmo Pocket models, you know that comfort matters, especially for long shooting sessions. DJI seems to be redesigning the grip for better handling, making sure button placement is more intuitive. These small tweaks might not sound groundbreaking, but when you're using the camera for extended periods, they make a world of difference. Next-level camera upgrades. This is where things really start to heat up. DJI is rumored to be packing in a 1-inch CMOS sensor with a 20mm f/2.0 lens. What does this mean? Sharper details, improved low-light performance, and overall better image quality. Content creators will appreciate the 10-bit color depth, D-Log-M, and HDR recording, giving more flexibility in post-production. But wait, there's more. 4K at 240 frames per second is reportedly coming, which means double the slow-motion capability of the Pocket 3. Whether you're shooting action sports or cinematic slow-motion footage, this could be a huge creative tool. Faster processing, better autofocus. One of the biggest complaints about previous Osmo Pockets? Autofocus. DJI is allegedly addressing this with phase detection autofocus, PDAF, and improved eye tracking. This should mean faster, more reliable focusing, making it a perfect vlogging companion. Active Track is also getting a major version 7.0 upgrade, promising more accurate subject tracking. Great for action shots or fast-moving subjects. Battery life and charging speed. A bigger sensor and better screen typically mean more power consumption, but DJI seems to be optimizing battery performance. The leaks suggest up to 200 minutes of recording time, compared to the Pocket 3's 166 minutes. Even better? Faster charging. A full charge in just 25 minutes. Plus, improvements in heat management mean the Pocket 4 can handle longer recording sessions without overheating. Unbeatable stabilization. Stabilization is the hallmark of the Osmo Pocket series, and DJI isn't holding back here. The Pocket 4 will reportedly feature a hybrid stabilization system, combining mechanical 3-axis stabilization with enhanced electronic stabilization. Whether you're running, biking, or filming handheld, expect even smoother footage than before. Pricing and release date. Now for the big question. How much will it cost? Leaks suggest a starting price of $699 for the standard version and $799 for the creator combo, which includes extra accessories. Yes, it's a slight price bump, but considering the hardware and feature improvements, it might just be worth the investment. As for the release date, reports indicate a launch window of late 2026 or early 2027. Following DJI's usual 3-year cycle. It's a bit of a wait, but if these upgrades hold true, it could be one of the best pocket cameras yet. Final thoughts, is it worth the upgrade? While we'll have to wait for an official announcement from DJI, the Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a refined and powerful upgrade rather than a complete reinvention. Better sensor, improved screen, upgraded stabilization, faster autofocus, and longer battery life. These are the kinds of practical upgrades that matter. So what do you think? Is the Osmo Pocket for the ultimate vlogging camera? Let us know in the comments. And if you love tech breakdowns like this, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Technology Review for all the latest updates.